So get this, you could now create an entire coloring book without knowing how to draw, without being a designer, and Canva does basically all the work. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to make money selling AI generated coloring pages, even if you're starting from scratch. And especially if you're thinking, I'm not creative enough to do this. Yes, you are. You just need to see how it all works. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen and I help you create and sell digital products for passive income. I've been doing this since 2020 when I started as a complete beginner in this space. And now I teach beginners how to do the same, make easy, sellable digital products that actually make money, even if you're not tech savvy or you don't feel artsy or you don't feel like you're an expert. And making coloring pages is one of the easiest ways to get started because Canva's new AI feature makes coloring pages for you within seconds. Let me show you how crazy good this is. And all you have to do is type in a few words in Canva and literally spits out a coloring page for you. So when you're inside Canva, up at the top, you are going to see your designs, templates, and Canva AI. Let's go into Canva AI, and that is going to show you this page right here. Right here, we have design for me, just create an image, draft a doc. I'm going to go to create an image because that's what we're doing. And then from here, you can go into style. And Canva has many different styles, smart, cinematic, creative, all of these different ones. I like to go with either black and white or this one as well, which is more of a vector. And then here you can choose your size. So here I want to do a page size. So I'm going to do 3x4 and that is it. Now we can go right here and we can describe our image. So for this example, we're going to create, for example, an ABC coloring book for toddlers. So I went ahead and put a cute cartoon style apple with a front facing view and simple black and white line art, bold, clean outline, no shading, designed for a children's coloring book. Let's see what this gives me. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you are going to see Canva is always going to give you 4 options for the images. So I do like this one. This one's more coloring. Definitely don't get anything that's shaded. You can always go right here to copy prompt, reuse prompt. It would copy automatically here, and you could always reuse that prompt. And again, it's going to give you 4 different options to choose from. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so once you have one that you like, you can go right here and download, or you can go right here and put edit. When you hit edit, it's literally going to bring you into Canva's editor and you can start building out your coloring book page. So for example, here, I can make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to go ahead and remove the background. And then I want some text here. So for example, I would want to put, since this is a coloring book for toddlers, I'm going to put right here, A for apple. I'm going to make this bigger, make it in the middle. And then I do want to change the font to make it maybe a more kid-friendly font, maybe Self Dream. That one's cute. I do also go into effect and go and make it hollow so they can color on it too. And that is it. Now, maybe I want to make it all caps. Perfect. So I'm going to put A is for apple. And then we can continue on with the rest of the alphabet. So look how simple that is. So let's go back into our prompt again. I'm going to copy the prompt. And let's say here, instead of apple, I'm going to change this. And I'm going to leave the exact same prompt, but I'm going to go ahead and put B for bear. And let's go ahead and submit. Ooh, this here is so cute. And as you can see, it gave us, look how, and super fast. Let's do it one more time. Let's copy the prompt and let's go ahead and see what it gives us. So I do like this one. I like this one. I could always take out the background. We could use background remover for that. But I just want to see if there's any other. This one's good too. So I want it to be very simple. So let's go ahead and download this. And once I do want to download the rest because then I just want to plug and play right here. So I'm going to add a page. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. And then here, all I have to do is just, I'm going to go ahead and remove the background, make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to have the exact same thing. B is for bear. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste. B for bear. Perfect. And that is it. Just in a couple of minutes, we already have A for apple, B for bear. We can go ahead and copy and paste. And then here, we're going to put, let's say, for example, C for cat. And we're going to go back into AI and we are going to copy this one more time. And then here I'm going to put cat. run the prompt, and you see how simple this is? And in 20 minutes, I'll have an entire coloring page digital product that I can start selling on Etsy, on Stan, on Beacons, wherever you decide to sell. I would actually sell these on Etsy. They do really, really well, and people are actually making $300 a month, $500 a month just on simple coloring pages. So let's go ahead and download this one. And this is the last one I'm going to show you. I just wanted to show you an example of what you can start creating right now with Canva's AI features, which is pretty amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I'm going to bring in the cat that we just downloaded, just like that. And again, I'm going to always remove the background because it's a little bit off white sometimes. So I just want to make sure that there is no white in it. There you go. We have our coloring pages done. And there you have it. And you can make a pack of 10, 20, 30 of these, export it as a PDF, and boom, you got a product ready to sell. And trust me, you don't need to be creative. You need 15 minutes and an idea. This right here is beginner friendly money. And if you need more digital product ideas like this, definitely go grab my 500 digital product ideas guide completely for free. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, another thing I want to mention is that you can always add even more value with like matching activity pages or create an entire bundle with other types of activities aside from coloring pages. Now, if you would like me to show you how to create these other types of activities, let me know in the comments as well. Because you can use Canva to create super simple extra pages like mazes and word searches, connect the dots, tracing pages. And yes, I can create a whole separate video showing you those activities. So if you're ready to start creating your own digital products today, definitely grab my free 500 digital product ideas guide in the description below. And if you loved this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.